सूचना केवल हमारे विचार हैं, वित्तीय सलाह नहीं। निर्णय लेने से पहले खुद शोध करें। किसी भी लाभ या हानि के लिए हम उत्तरदायी नहीं हैं।
Hello viewers, here is today's update on the latest news and order book updates. Artifact Projects Limited has received a letter of award in a joint venture with Mangalam Infra and Engineering Limited and Renaissance IoT LLP for supervision consultancy services on a section of NH 565 in Andhra Pradesh. The contract is worth approximately ₹241.63 lakh, excluding GST, and will span 36 months. The project involves overseeing the operations and maintenance of an 84-kilometer stretch of highway, while Chandanagar Industries Limited (WIL) has received a contract worth 30.75 crore from Vikram Sarabhai Space Centre (VSSC) for the fabrication and supply of S139 segment hardware. The contract is valid for 5 years from March 28, 2025, or until 14 months after the last hardware delivery. WIL will start delivering the first S139 in segment 6 months after receiving the free issue materials. This contract reinforces WIL's position as a key vendor in India's space ecosystem. WIL is the largest manufacturer of S139 in segments, having delivered 200 such segments for PSLV and GSLV in key flights. WIL is also the only company in India manufacturing head-end segment (HES) and nozzle-end segment (NES). Avantel Limited has received a purchase order worth 11.36 crore, including taxes, from Goa Shipyard Limited on March 31, 2025. The order is for the supply of SATCOM systems and is to be executed between February 2026 and March 2027. This disclosure is in accordance with SEBI regulations. Newgen Software Incorporated (NSI), a US-based wholly-owned subsidiary of Newgen Software Technologies Limited, has secured a contract worth $1,270,000 with an international client. The contract is to be executed over 3 years. This disclosure is made pursuant to Regulation 30 of SEBI, Listing Obligations and Disclosure Requirements, Regulations, 2015, and BSE/NSE circulars dated July 14, 2023. The transaction is not a related party transaction. Newgen Software Incorporated (NSI), a US-based wholly-owned subsidiary of Newgen Software Technologies Limited, has secured a contract worth $1,270,000 with an international client. The contract is to be executed over 3 years. This transaction is not a related party transaction. Engineers India Limited (EIL) has been awarded consultancy assignments worth approximately 245 crore from state-owned organizations. These projects, based on a cost-plus model, will be executed in Maharashtra and West Bengal. HPL Engineering Limited, formerly HPL Power Systems Limited, has been awarded 5 contracts by the Central Railway for the provision of Kavach, an anti-collision system. The total value of these contracts is 762.56 crore, inclusive of 18% GST. These contracts cover 413 stations across 3,900 kilometers of railway lines, and each contract has an execution period of 18 months. This brings the total value of Kavach contracts awarded to HPL during the year to 3,618 crore. Thera Software Limited has received letters of intent (LOIs) worth 273.12 crore, excluding GST, from Madhyanchal Vidyut Vitran Nigam Limited (MVVNL) for door-to-door meter reading, spot bill generation, bill distribution, and bill collection services in various districts of Uttar Pradesh. The project is to be executed within 2 years. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.
स्टॉक लेटेस्ट न्यूज अपडेट के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें।